with you, I am alright.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're baking shortbread. So this shortbread is so yummy. It's crisp, soft, buttery, and really, really addictive. Let's get started. Melt 1 cup of butter. Pour into a large mixing bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add half a cup of brown sugar. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Just put the sugar, melted butter, and salt and vanilla into the bowl, and we're going to mix that first. Make sure everything's smooth, and then we're going to add the 2 cups of flour. Mix everything together. Smells amazing. You can smell the butter and the vanilla. So the dough is this sort of consistency where you can press it together, but it also feels crumbly as well. Coat our baking tray with butter so that the dough doesn't stick to it. We're just pressing it down with our wet fingers. Sprinkled a bit of sugar on top. And poke some holes through it with a fork. Put it in the oven at 180 degrees for approximately 20 minutes. Just out of the oven. I wish you guys can smell this. It smells so good. Now we just have to let it cool for a bit and it's ready to eat. Yum, that is so good. It's really buttery, crunchy, crispy. Okay guys, that's all from me today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll leave all the details in the description down below. Please remember to like and subscribe, turn on notifications, and excuse me while I go eat the rest of these. Bye now.
Whenever I'm with you, I am alright.